Assalam-o-Alikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Alisha, and today I'll be talking about the Big Bang Theory regarding the creation of the universe. Everything revolves around the universe. Space, time, and life are all fundamentally existent, from the tiniest particles to the most massive galaxies. But where did it all start? Various scientific hypotheses and creation mythologies from throughout the world have attempted to clarify its mysterious origins. On the other hand, the Big Bang Theory is the most commonly accepted theory. According to the Big Bang Theory, the universe originated from a single incredibly hot and dense point, and something caused it to explode, which resulted in the universe's creation. This explosion created matter, time, space, and energy. The universe's development then proceeded to two key phases, which are called the radiation era and the matter era. These two eras are marked by significant events that help shape the universe. The radiation era is when the dominance of radiation occurred right after the Big Bang. This era is made up of 8 smaller stages known as epochs. The epochs of the radiation era describes how gravity was generated and later separated from the other fundamental forces of nature, such as strong and weak nuclear forces, as well as electromagnetism. All of these forces split apart as it was believed that they were once together. Particles like quarks, for example, formed at first, but due to its extreme temperatures, they were unable to initiate the production of subatomic particles. Quarks were able to link together and produce protons and neutrons when the temperatures decreased. In its final epochs, they merged and formed nuclei. The very first chemical element in the universe, helium, was created as a result of this fusion. The potential to produce elements ended in the radiation era, and the matter era began, which is divided into 3 epochs: the atomic epoch, the galactic epoch, and the stellar epoch. After the universe cooled further, electrons were able to connect themselves to nuclei through the process of recombination, resulting in the production of the universe's second evolved element, hydrogen. The existence of hydrogen and helium resulted in the formation of atomic clouds, which painted the universe throughout the time. Small pockets of gas were present in these clouds, and gravity may have been strong enough for atoms to congregate. The seedlings of the galaxies were atom clusters. The primordial stars were formed. However, they were too huge and died swiftly as a result of their massive size. So in the Quran, there's a verse regarding the Big Bang Theory, which goes as, "Do not the disbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were a closed-up mass? Then we opened them out, and we made from water every living thing. Will they not then believe?" So Ratkan is an Arabic term that means closed-up mass or darkness. A dark closed-up mass perfectly describes what scientists believe the universe looked like in the beginnings. Water, according to the passage, is the foundation of life. This is now widely acknowledged as a scientific truth. When NASA searches for planets that are capable of sustaining life, they search for water. The concept of a beginning of the universe generates questions about a possible endpoint. Since the universe began from a tiny, dense point, will it expand indefinitely, or will it run out of its energy and compress inwards until everything falls back into a small ball? Astronomers have come up with a number of theories on how the universe will end, with the Big Crunch theory being the most common. The Big Bang Theory is the beginning for interpreting everything we see in nature today. Scientists are still trying to get to the bottom of the Big Bang Theory. Understanding how the world works is quite beneficial for us, as it gives us an insight on how the universe began. Without this understanding, we could not have developed our technologically advanced society or discovered several other laws. Jazakallah.